This tutorial will show you how to browse books in our collection by author name through the library's catalog. Because I'm only interested in books that are here in Westfield today, I'm going to change Search Everything to just Westfield. Because this is an author search, I'm going to change all fields to author, and then I will type the author's name, Lisa C. So you'll see that this search generated 56 results. Because I did narrow it to Westfield, they're all items that are owned by Westfield, but not all are books. You'll see the first one is the sound recording. So I'm going to further narrow the results to just books. And then I'm also going to narrow it to just items that are checked in today. So I will click on Only Show Available. And now I have 9 results. So you'll see there's approximately 9 different books we own by Lisa C that are checked in today. I'm interested in what's most current, so I'm going to sort by publication date descending. And it will give me the most current book by Lisa C that's checked in today. And then I will just scroll down to see where this book is located in Westfield. So this book is in the fiction section under the author's last name, and it was just recently returned, so it'll be returned to the shelf. And that's how you browse books in Westfield by author.